Hey, John from Raw Talk. I'm standing with Stu here, the owner of this AP6, and hey, we're going to take this in. Stu's kind enough to explain what's going on here, because we can see a couple of mods here, but you know, between rims, tyres, engines, and whatnot. And Stu, you're happy to talk us through it. How are you, buddy?
Yeah, good, mate. Good. Yeah. It's a mile 360, mate, with a 904. Yeah, had it on the road for a few years now. But Blue Star Garage, a bloke called Bruce Muller did a lot of work over in Mundijong for me, so he did a top job.
So what was the original driveline of this car when you got it?
The 360 was
sitting... Oh, you had the 360?
Sorry, the 360 was sitting in there. It was probably a 60% finished project. Hadn't been licensed in 20 years.
Gotcha.
So I brought it over from Melbourne.
Yep.
And yeah, finished it off.
I can see that the inner guards are tidy. You've rerouted all your lines here.
That's
you've
right.
Done the oil. You've got your relays set up on that side, so you've taken a look.
We pulled the whole engine out, and we had to realign the steering box. And yeah,
you've done the offset trick. Like
there was a bit of stuffing around to do, yeah, but we got there in the end. Yeah, so I dressed the wheels up a couple of years ago. Just put those centres on. Got them over from the States.
And you've got the inserts in the door, like a custom interior with the red into the black door trims, also into the seats. Awesome dash. Have a look at that styling for back in the 60s. You know, you don't see that stuff anymore, like binocular binary style dash in it. Wow. Nice touches, red carpet, got the fire extinguisher in there, and it's a wagon. Great car, absolute great car. So was this classed as a safari wagon or a town?
It was, mate, it's a safari.
Safari.
I just haven't got the badges, to be honest, but
gotcha.
They're pretty hard to get hold of.
So all our fans that are asking, he said it's a safari, so don't hit me up on that question. So it's got that real nice AP6 front end. And this is a classic South Australian sticker of when these girls used to be made in South Australia, and it's a real shame. You know, as you walk around these car shows, you see what we used to make here. But great car. Hey, thanks anyway, Stu.
Yeah, no worries.
Thanks, buddy, mate.
Yeah, cheers.